A lot of people ask if they should hire an immigration consultant or they should apply in the express entry on their own. Remember, there is no requirement from the Canadian government from any client to hire any immigration consultant. You can submit your application on your own. There is no requirement, there is no need to have an immigration consultant if you feel confident in submitting your application on your own. But what if you have questions? What if you don't want to play with your file? What if you don't want to play with your Canadian dream? What should you do? Which immigration consultant is best? How to check if an immigration consultant is authorized or not? I will today discuss with you the steps that you need to take to make sure that you are going in safe hands and that the processing of your Canadian Dream application or Canadian Permanent Resident application is in the expert hands. The ultimate authority of issuing the visa or rejecting an application is solely towards the ICCRC or CIC or Canadian Immigration Department. Immigration consultants can make it easier for you to scroll through the procedures. It will be more hectic free for you. There will not be any extra headache for you of making errors and making omissions and making excuses if you have a failed case. In my experience, hiring an immigration consultant is really helpful when it comes to submitting your applications for PR and when it comes to doing things with precision. Once you decide to hire an immigration consultant, make sure that you hire an RCIC or make sure you hire a consultant or an immigration consultant or immigration lawyer who has been authorized by the Canadian government. There are three types of people who can assist you, advise you, and file your cases to the Immigration Department of Canada. The first, of course, is the Canadian lawyers, people who have license to practice law in Canada. Then we have cubic notaries, the members of the professional body. Then there comes another institution which is called ICCRC. It means Immigration Consultants of Canada or regulatory body. So this organization or this authority has around 4,000 members in the whole world. Those members are called RCICs, Regulated Canadian Immigration Consultants. It is always the sole discretion of the embassy, but an RCIC has a more in-depth knowledge. Whenever someone claims that he or she is a member of good standing in ICCRC, always ask his or her identification number or license number. This license number starts with R. For example, my ICCRC number is R534077. By using this number, you can always check if I am on the good standing list of the ICCRC or I am not. You can always check, and you should always check the authenticity of your immigration consultants by going to the ICCRC website and searching the person or the immigration consultant on that site. My personal view, you can hire an immigration consultant, and once you hire an immigration consultant, you are in better hands, you are in safer hands. They have the knowledge, they have the experience, they have the authority to process your applications, and you're more likely to receive a better decision of your application when you use an authorized representative, which are RCICs. Thank you.